I'm Gautami. In this video, we'll see how to share a bundle using account ID. So firstly, you have to select the bundles visibility to shared or public under bundle visibility. So for this, let me click on my bundle and go to the sharing tab. You can see options for the bundle visibility here. So you should either select shared or public. So when you select the private, so you'll not be able to share this to other accounts. And we'll see how to share the bundle now. So once after you access your bundle that you wanted to share, and in the sharing page, so you can click on this share bundle button, and then in this account field, you can add the account ID with which you want to share the bundle. So you can also add multiple accounts separated by comma or space or a new line here, so that you can share it with multiple accounts in a single time. So once after you share the bundle, so this is how it looks like. So I've shared to a single account, so this is how it looks like. If you share it to multiple accounts, you can view all the details of those accounts that you have shared here. Also, there is something that we have to keep in mind here. So actually, there is no validation that is performed when an account is added to the sharing list of the bundle. That means even if the account ID sent does not exist or is not a Boomi user account, it will still get added to the sharing list. Something like A, B, C, D, E, F. So this is actually not an account or a valid account, but still you can see it in the sharing list. So you should be keen while you are giving the account ID. Thank you.